Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'll be comparing these two lip and cheek tint. When I wanted to buy a lip tint for myself, I was really confused because there are so many options that are available in the market and the price range differs so much. I was very confused, but yes, I had heard a lot about this Benefit lip tint and I really wanted to try this, hence I bought this. But later on, while I was shopping few more products online, I found this one and there's a huge difference between the price of these two products. Hence, I decided to buy this one also and compare these two products to show you what the difference is. So let's get started with this video and I will apply both these products and show you guys the application and the texture and talk about the pricing also. So let's get started. The first product that I'm showing you is this Benefit lip tint. Now Benefit lip tints come in 5 different shades and the lip tint that I got for myself is in shade Cherry. It's called Go-Go Tint and the quantity that I got is 6 ml. So this is a 6 ml bottle and it costed me 1720 rupees. Yes, it's very expensive, but I really wanted to try this lip tint. Hence, I got it and I really wanted to see what's the difference between these two lip tints. So this comes in a bottle like this and then there's this little wand. So it's a liquid lip tint. It's not a cream formula, it's a liquid formula. So all you have to do is just take it out and I'm just applying 2-3 drops here. That's it, and then I'm blending it with my finger. You have to be really quick in blending this, otherwise it might leave a stain on your cheeks. So this lip and cheek tint is very pigmented, so hence whenever you apply it, just make sure that you blend it quickly. Don't wait for too long, otherwise you will have stains here. And I mean, you can blend it with a blender also, but I like to use my fingers to blend it. I think it blends better that way. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I'll apply some product on my lips also. Okay, so this is how it's looking on my lips. A very natural reddish tint that you get on the lips from this Benefit lip tint. So let's go on to the other lip tint and try this. So now I've got this lip tint which I bought online. I bought this from Nykaa. It's called Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. The shade that I've got is 06 Pink Forever and the MRP of this product is only 695 rupees. So this is almost 1/3 the price of this product. So let's talk about this little more. This is how the packaging looks like, and so it comes in a small case like this and it has a creamy texture. As you can see, it's like a lip balm. Okay, and also guys, this product has some natural ingredients in it, like Javitri, jojoba, rice starch, and there are no parabens, no mineral oils. It's 100% vegan. So that's the biggest difference between these two products. This has natural ingredients in it, whereas this doesn't have natural ingredients. It's purely like a makeup product. Okay, now this particular lip tint also comes in lot of different shades, but I picked up this for myself. It's 06 Pink Forever and I absolutely love this shade. Okay, now to use it, since it's in a cream formula, all you have to do is just take out a little bit of lip tint and just apply it like this. And now either you can use your finger to blend. God, this is very pigmented, look at this. Or else you can even use a brush to blend this, or even a beauty sponge would work. Okay guys, so this is Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint side and this is where I applied Benefit Lip and Cheek Tint. Talking about difference between the two, I really can't see any difference between the two sides. There is not much of a difference. They both are lightweight formula. The texture of both these products is very good. They blend very nicely. In fact, I love the shade of both these products. This definitely is giving me a little more glow. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but if I see it like this side of my face is definitely glowing little more than this. This is a very matte formula. Since both these products are quite similar to each other and I really can't see a lot of difference between the two, in case if I have to buy a tint again, I would definitely go for this one, only because this is cheaper than the Benefit Lip Tint. That's the only reason. If I'm buying a product which is for 1700 rupees, I really wanted to see a major difference between these two, but I could not see a huge difference between these two products, and hence I don't find a reason to put 1700 rupees again and buy this lip tint. So I think I would definitely go for something which is for 600 rupees, which is this Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. It's equally good and it comes in a lot of different shades, so you can choose which one do you like. I'm very happy with the pink one. This is Pink Forever. So yes. Also guys, I have these three products from Mama Earth. I have almond shampoo, almond conditioner and almond hair oil. Now Mama Earth products are made from natural ingredients and are free from harmful chemicals, hence it's very safe to use. Now talking about this almond shampoo, now this one has cold pressed almond oil and vitamin E. Almond oil is a rich source of biotin and it promotes hair growth. Vitamin E prevents hair loss and helps in good blood circulation. Overall, this shampoo will promote hair growth and will give you a healthy scalp. Talking about the conditioner, now this almond conditioner also has goodness of cold pressed almond oil. It has vitamin E and also it has coconut oil in it. Mama Earth almond conditioner promotes hair growth, it reduces hair breakage, it nourishes your hair and it also makes your hair soft and smooth. Also, this product is dermatologically tested and is free from paraben or any kind of silicone. Talking about Mama Earth almond hair oil, now this particular product comes with a comb applicator like this, so it becomes easier to apply this hair oil. This hair oil has goodness of cold pressed almond oil and vitamin E, and also it has avocado oil. It moisturizes, repairs and strengthens your hair. Also, it prevents premature graying of hair. Mama Earth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple. You can also download Mama Earth's app or you can purchase their products from their website. I will mention a discount code. You can use that to get 20% discount on your purchase only if you purchase these products from Mama Earth website or from their app. Another thing which is so great about this brand is Mama Earth is a plastic positive Indian brand, and also Mama Earth has taken an initiative of planting trees. So every time you buy a Mama Earth product from their website, they will link your order to the tree that they will be planting on your behalf. You will get all the details about where the tree is planted, what species it is. So this is a great initiative taken by Mama Earth. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I just wanted to compare these two lip and cheek tints which I bought recently and tell you guys what do I feel about them, and also wanted to share my discount code for Mama Earth products. So happy shopping to all of you, and thank you for watching this video again, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.